I'm at the Cosumnes River Preserve this morning. We had our first little bit of that fog that stays kind of close to the ground, the Thule fog. Anyways, most of that's kind of burned off as the sun comes up, but we will see what we can find. I do hear a lot of birds, so that's a good thing, right? Let's go. Still pretty dry here at Cosumnes River Preserve. Hasn't really changed much since I was here last week. I keep hoping, I keep expecting. There are a lot more birds here, little birds. I'm noticing just a ton of sparrows. So I guess they may be the first ones that come in. I don't know. And some ducks. So slowly but surely. Well, that's my trip today here at the Cosumnes River Preserve in Galt, California. I will say we're seeing more and more migratory birds come in. The greater white-fronted geese came in, which there will be a lot of them in the coming weeks and months. But it is nice to see some of them come in. Also, just tons and tons of sparrows that I haven't seen for a while. And so more and more birds. Still waiting for a lot of water to be here, but I'm sure that'll be shortly as well. Anyway, it's always fun to come here. One of the things I like to do is to talk to some of the other photographers that are here looking at stuff and keeping track of what's migrating in or out. So it's been kind of a fun day just doing that, as well as taking lots of pictures. I have a lot to go through when I get home. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.